there's many ways to remember the elements in the periodic table of elements. You got chemical symbols and you got atomic numbers. You can use names. For example, the last name of Smith, capital S-M-I-T-H. When you go to a periodic table of elements and you have two letters that represents an element, a symbol that represents the element, like Smith, capital S and a small m. Right here, that stands for, that's a chemical symbol for Sumerian, capital S-A-M-A-R-I-A-N. And so you got to take the first letter and capitalize it, and the second letter, which is M, and that becomes a small m, not capitalized. Then you have a capital I for iodine, capital I for iodine, capital I-O-D-I-N-E. As you notice that we have one letter to represent the chemical symbol, that becomes capitalized. It doesn't have a second letter, just one letter, and that's capitalized I. And that stands for iodine. Then you got the little t and the little h, a small, a lowercase t and h. So you got to capitalize the t, because you have to keep the h into a small h, a little h, because it has two letters. Like here, the SM, you got two letters that represents the chemical symbol. So you get the first letter, it gets a capital, like for here, the first letter is a T, and it becomes capital. Then you get the H, it's a small case. Okay? And of course, that stands for capital T, and a small h equals thorium. Thorium. Capital H, thermium. The TH, it means capital T, H-O-R-I-U-M. So capital T, H. So you got the capital T and a small h for thorium. Okay, and now you got the atomic number is 62 for Sumerian, for iodine is 53, and for thorium is 90. Now, understand that if you're going to study the periodic table of elements and you just want to study the chemical symbols and not the atomic number, because you're beginning to understand it, to remember it, the table, just cover the numbers in the bottom and just remember the symbols. Okay, SM for Sumerian, capital I for iodine, capital T and a small h for thorium, and that's how you do it. Okay, another name is Tate, capital T, a small a, T-E. So I want to write this the right way for the periodic table of elements. Capital T and a small a, capital T and a small e for Tate. So capital T and a small a is for tantalum, capital T-A-N-T-A-L-U-M, and capital T and a small e equals tellurium, capital T-E-L-L-U-R-I-U-M. Okay, so you got the name Tate. Okay, the last name Tate. I don't know what Tate, like Bewitch, like Larry Tate. Remember that? Larry Tate. Okay, and so there you go. Okay, using the name Smith, comes to S-M-I-T-H. So if you know anybody named Smith, or your name is Smith, the last name, you can use that, Smith. Okay, or a blacksmith, you can use that. The B-L-A-C-K plus Smith goes together. If you look at the periodic table, you can write the word, you can write the B-L-A-C-K before Smith. You got blacksmith, all right? Okay, I want to go now. So this is how you study, by using names, okay? All right? This is how you study if you're not taking chemistry. If you just want to remember the periodic table of elements and the knowledge of the symbols and the elements and the atomic number, this is a good way to do it, using names, okay? It's only a strategy that I've been using for many years. The more you do this, the better, the easier it gets. Boom, real fast, you know what's going on, all right? Over and out. Bye-bye.